Hey guys, what's up? Another CSS battle for today. I think today it's a cool challenge because you can get a bit more creative. Let's share the screen. Done, and let's start work. So today I think we can get out with two divs for this shape, the shape over here, combined with different shapes. But I think I have a way to fix it with only two divs. We will see why this one is not silence. Oh my god, sorry guys, just a sec. Focus, do not disturb, forget about it. Right, so style and body as usual. Body, background, and use the color provided. We're gonna display flexbox and we're gonna justify content to this space between, and align items is center. Now we want to call it first div, and we're gonna start with the first line, right? Say 160 pixels with 30 pixels. Background is white. Okay, so we need to fix some stuff here. Let's go and add some margin. Top will be 40 pixels. Top 50. Yeah, and side's gonna be, let's say, 30 pixels. Beautiful. So the height is maybe 200. Sweet spot. We got what we want, and now we can go move to the next one. So we will create div after, and we're gonna create, or before, let's use before, and we're gonna create this one over here. See, so we're gonna use height as, let's take 40 off, so 160 pixels. Before we do position relative, and top, top, let's say we will decrease 40 pixels. Then we need to do content empty and display as block, and now we're good to go. We call it 30. Background, we need to fix the left, but let's present something. Okay, left, say 40 pixels for now. Not bad at all. So let's get this one. Let me display this red and see what is happening. So it's not high enough. We're missing another pixels, and we take this one off from that, and that's it if I'm not wrong. So I will keep it like that for now, and I will start work on the div after, and we're gonna create this guy and this guy. Just before, let's call div name nth child 2, and say background red, nth nice. So we got this. We actually want to transform scale x -1. Beautiful, and we got exactly what we're looking for. So now, so that's way too far. Now we can work on this guy. We're gonna jump first to this one. So let's position relative, and then just want to see what I'm writing, and then top, give it, I think, bottom, give it 50 pixels just for now. Left, let's say 120 pixels for now. Content, and display as block. Okay, height, let's say it's 60 pixels, 30 with 30 pixels, and background yeah. So we don't see what happening. Content, okay. This is what we're missing. Okay, all good in the neighborhood. We actually we want to make it the same height as this guy. Like, we're gonna make this one, but start with this. So first of all, let's go and adjust the left to one hand. That seems perfect. The width seems to be a bit bigger this time, so it's 40. That's gonna make a problem over here. or maybe not. No, not necessarily. Okay, let's keep continue walking. So height would be 100 maybe, and then we need to adjust bottom to 80. So height is 140 and is 110. Okay, beautiful. Now we're gonna replace this one linear ingredient, and then we're gonna use this color first, then white color, then another white color, and then this. So we need to find the first point over here, which let's say 40 pixels. Without semicolons, of course. 40 pixels. So this is actually 50 and 50. Okay, and that could be 100 pixels. Let's say it's 80. In this case 80 as well. Now 90 and 90. That seems like it. Okay, why are we happy? Now we need to start to do a box shadow, and let's say 0 minus 20 pixels black, and 10 pixels 0. Minus 40, and this one can stay 0. Now this is where we start to get a problem, because the only way I can actually solve it is by going here, and instead of giving it a color, I can do something like that with another linear gradient and adding this color. Then I don't think I can solve it like that. Then add this color and say 180 D 90, and say like 30 pixels. And say this is 40, and then say 0, and index z index 99. That solves the problem. Okay, love it. Now I need to see if I can target this one. MTH join 2. Background red. Okay, so if we take this one, A, and then we just change these two. We solve the puzzle? I think so. Let's see. Boom. That's cool. That was a really cool challenge today. Really liked what we have done today. I hope you liked too, and share with me your solution. See you on the next one.